Don't get an electric vehicle. Mom, we made it.
We made it to the first one. We're gonna walk to the second one. We just got our car, shout out Budget, and now we're going to pick it up. No way.
How did it say to open it?
Get out the instructions. Ooh.
My lady.
Welcome! We just got in our car. It's a Tesla. Jake is in heaven. He's super excited.
Just super excited. Finally driving my dream car, and I'm with my dream girl.
Aww, so cute. See? Yesterday was my last day of work, and this whole week we're kind of just adventuring. So today we have a lot planned. I think we're going on a hike. We're going to the botanical gardens, going to a temple, but first, of course, we need coffee, and we're going to our favorite coffee shop.
The best coffee
The Well.
I've ever had.
It is so good.
Look, Mom, we made it. Alright guys, we are pulling up to The Well, best coffee shop in all of Honolulu, or all of Oahu. Check it out.
Give it to someone special. We're going to the very tippity toppy right here.
What's up, vlog? Welcome back.
We're on our way to the start of the pillbox hike, Lanakai pillbox hike. And it's a relatively short hike, but it's super steep. And also, we just hiked like 5 miles to get here.
Dude, literally.
To the beginning of it.
We're just getting to the beginning of it. And I'm already just sweating. Alright, we're 1 mile in. It only took like 5 minutes. I'm in Crocs.
Adventure mode on.
Boy, can't you talk to me? It's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome? If you just kiss me slowly and have me in your arms. If I could make you see it, baby, we kiss.
We made it to the first one. We're gonna walk to the second one.
Fun fact vlog. That point right there. In Hawaiian lore, it is the birthplace of mankind and it is sacred land.
I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome? If you just kiss me slowly and have me in your arms. You make me up, hey, let's go out when I see you.
I took a step down right over there. And hiking up in Crocs, totally fine. Going down in Crocs isn't the best.
Oh no.
My foot like went out straight from underneath me and there was a big rock sticking out and my back just went.
And he was on the phone with Bobby Joe. So we can blame her.
I did it right in front of people. So other people saw it.
So it was embarrassing. Oh no.
He goes, "Hey man, are you alright?" And I'm not alright. But I went, "Yeah, I'm fine."
Oh.
Does it look bad?
Yeah, it looks so bad. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it looks really bad. Oh, baby. We just finished the hike. How do you feel?
I just got back to the entrance. Honestly, out of everything, I just need water.
Yeah.
We drank the water bottle we brought. My back still kind of hurts.
Yikes.
Outside of falling, the pillbox was actually pretty dope. We went inside of it and it looked really cool. And the view was amazing.
Yeah.
I gave it like an 8 out of 10.
Yeah. I didn't fall, so I give it like a 10 out of 10.
The reason why it's not a 9 out of 10 is because I fell. And the reason why it's an 8 out of 10 is because that hike actually really sucked.
Nah, it was fun. But yeah, we're walking back to the car right now. And then gonna regroup and see.
Yeah, we're meeting up with the squad.
And see what else we're gonna do. Okay, bye. I have a little information on the pillbox hike that we just went on because we're not just about vacationing. We wanna spread information, right? Right. If you don't know what the Lanakai pillboxes are or what pillboxes are, they were actually from World War II and they were built in 1943. This is all from the internet. So if I'm wrong, blame it on the internet.
The internet's wrong.
The internet is wrong. They were built in 1943 on Kaiwa Ridge, and they provided troops with high-powered binoculars and communication to watch for enemy ships and aircraft. So they were used as observation during World War II to look out over the water. So that's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, there's 2 of them, and you could hike to the first one and then also go up to the second one. And you could go in them, which we did, which was super cool.
And they had the old mounting stand for where the turrets were.
It was super fun. And Jake's a history buff, so I knew he'd like it.
Now turn right onto
So I'm really glad we went. Now we just stopped at Foodland in Kailua and we got some food. We're going to the Byodo-in Temple. It's a Buddhist temple, non-practicing. It's a replica of Japan's historic Byodo. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. I should look it. Byodo-in Temple. Built in 1963 to honor Japanese immigrants. It serves as a peaceful sanctuary for meditation, reflection, and cultural appreciation, featuring a large gold Buddha, a giant sacred bell, tranquil koi ponds, peacocks, and stunning views against the Ko'ola'o Mountains. Yeah, and I just remember that you can feed birds there. I mean, like, I love all of it. All of it's amazing and beautiful. And
But you can feed birds.
And you can feed birds. I do remember you can also feed birds. Among everything else that I just read, you can also feed birds. You want to tell us what it means?
It's a very sacred bell. It's a replica of a very sacred bell that was made in Osaka, Japan, and the bell is cut into 4 different sections. Each depicts on what heaven resembles in the Buddhist mind. And clearing it before you enter the temple means they believe that the sound resonates and clears your mind, and it's just a good cleanse. What does it mean?
It is a replica. What do I do? Push it in?
Yeah.
The kid. Cool. I'll get you some more. Hello guys. Hello. Welcome to another day of unemployed adventures. Today we are going to the North Shore and we're stopping at a coffee shop on the way there, of course. And then maybe doing a waterfall hike, and then just adventuring out. Yeah, so come along, come along. Hi vlog, what can we do?
We're gonna start a GoFundMe so that way we can keep going on these adventures and fun, so that way we can keep giving you guys all the best videos that we possibly can. And then also, along with that GoFundMe, part of that money, the donation from you generous people, will also go towards buying us a Tesla. So thank you.
We are going to Okayama Cabo. How do you say that?
Okayama Cabo.
Sure. It's a little coffee shop. Why is it screaming at us?
It's on that side of the street,
yeah.
right? Looks just like you threw it. Welcome to my mukbang.
We're trying. It's Okayama Kobo or something like that. We're trying all our pastries I got. But first, I want to try my drink. It's a strawberry matcha. I'm a matcha girly now. Yeah. Look at they match. I just got the cold foam, but it's really yummy. What is it? Okay.
Just do the bear.
The bear?
And then
Okay.
I'll have one ear and you have one ear. That's so soft.
So yummy.
Now he can't hear mom and dad argue.
It has custard or something on the inside.
Oh, does it really?
I think that one's a 10 out of 10. Strawberry cream croissant.
I also got a coffee.
Is it good?
It's actually delicious. All it is a vanilla latte, but that man knows how to work his food. It's got cream on the inside. It's not too sugary. Croissants, I'm not the biggest fan of croissants just because they're super flaky. That is delicious. I give it a 9 out of 10. I think it's really good.
I think a 9 out of 10. 9.5 out of 10, so different than her. This is, what is this? Chocolate
Danish.
Chocolate Danish.
Wow.
I also give that one a 9 out of 10.
I'll give that a 10 actually.
Okay, the next one is it's a savory one. It's called the bacon. I'm not a huge fan of bacon, so do you want to try it first? It feels fluffy.
It's very fluffy.
Like an 8 out of 10. It was pretty good, but
Really?
it just tasted a lot like bacon.
So I was expecting like something on the inside. But all it is like bacon and then I think Japanese mayo and seasoning on top. Super fluffy, so like this is really, really nice, but it's not what I was expecting. And just because of that, honestly, I give it like a 6 out of 10. It's not what I was in the mood for. Hold
Well,
on.
update on my matcha. Delicious. Best thing I've ever had. This place is really good. So if you're in Oahu, Hawaii, highly recommend.
Hold on, come here. So this is a plunger. This is how I take my eyeballs out.
Ew.
Just like that, it's out. Now, I think it got loose and the liquid came out, so I couldn't really see a whole lot driving here, but Carly refused to drive. So now what I have to do is take my second plunger, put this right here, take some of this nice liquid, put it inside the contact just like that, and then we put it in.
Now I can see.
Now I can see.
We made it to the Dole Plantation and our car is charging.
It says charging stop.
Oh no.
Session timeout.
Okay, vlog update. We
Don't get an electric vehicle.
it wasn't working. I don't know if it was the charger or our adapter because it wasn't a Tesla charger, so we needed an adapter. I don't know, but it was not working.
And listen, we're about 2 hours away from home and our car is at 24%.
Yeah.
Oof.
Not to mention, on the way here, we spent about an extra hour in traffic. But we're making the most of it. We're finally here at the Dole Plantation, so yay, we're gonna get some ice cream. Yay!
Yet?
I'm excited.
Okay, turn around.
Look at all of them! They're pink! My second favorite color. Hibiscus.
What's up, squad? We got Dole Whip. I got the regular. She got chocolate dip waffle cone. It's one of the best things I've ever had. Enjoy this really fast time lapse of us eating this. See how fast I came back? Angie says we're slacking on the vlogs. I know, I also said my Hawaii arc was starting and
You have to go really fast while we're slow.
thanks for hanging out.
cheat.
Alright, vlog, here's the update. We are at the North Shore. We had these great plans. We were going to eat, go shopping, do a waterfall hike, all of this amazing stuff. We were like, oh, our car, a little iffy, almost dead. So we found a charger here. We're like, you know what? It's just the charger at the Dole plantation. That's why it wasn't working. So we got here, plugged into the charger, boom, still wasn't working. So now we are just going to eat and then go back home and then hopefully find a charger that works closer. But if that one doesn't work, then we're kind of SOL and stranded because we don't have a charger for our car. Go ahead and say
We
it.
need to put it in low power mode.
We're at 20% battery and we have 30 minutes to drive, so
We're supposed to get there with 13%.
what's up, vlog? Listen, we made it to the charger. 14% left on the battery. We got this charging right now. Look at that. 60% already. 8 minutes only. I think we've been here for what? 10 minutes so far? Maybe. This thing, so far it's only $14.26 to get to 60%. If you have the choice, get an electric vehicle. They're amazing. Don't get an electric vehicle. No issues.
Yeah, they're amazing. No issues.
Hello, vlog. We just spent the last hour and a half sitting in the Tesla watching TikTok on the screen here. We were waiting for a movie. We're gonna go watch Zootopia 2, and we're gonna record it all so you can see it. What do you want to say to your followers?
That I appreciate all of you.
You know what they always say.
Hard to cook it cold. Hi, it's day 3 with the car. We didn't get to everything yesterday that we wanted to because of the little couldn't charge our car hitch. Today we're gonna do the waterfall hike that we wanted to do and go to a coffee shop and go to the botanical gardens.
And look how cute she is. Look how cute she is.
I don't wanna be mad, but where are you? I've been calling and texting all afternoon. Now didn't we say wanna
What's up, vlog? We just got done swimming
In the waterfall.
in the waterfall. Sadly, we didn't get any videos in the waterfall, but the water was the coldest water I've ever swam in before. Don't let the movies fool you. The waterfall is not that big.
Wait, what movies did the waterfall feature in? What movies featured the waterfall?
Lilo and Stitch, Jumanji
Both Jumanjis.
1, Jumanji 2, Georgia of the Jungle. there's some TV shows, Lost, Boys in the Hood, Men in Black. It was fun. This place was actually amazing and it's really big. 10 out of 10 recommend. Everyone come visit.
Yep. We just got back to the garage. We're leaving Miss Martha.
That's the car, by the way.
She's a car. We're really, really sad about it.
We had a fun couple days. Everything was amazing. She's charged. We're back at home. And thanks for coming along.